right. So before we start, let me introduce myself. Yes. Again, my name is Jeremy. It's nice to meet you today. All right. So during my free time, I usually wants to go dancing and singing, and also traveling. All right. So may I know your names? Who wants to introduce yourself first? Okay. May I know your names?
Yes. My name Vũ. I'm from Vietnam. Um, yeah.
All right. I'm sorry. And I'm sorry I didn't catch up your name, please.
Uh, my name Hồ Thế Vũ. Vũ. My name Vũ.
Boo?
Vũ.
Boo?
Yeah.
All right. It's nice to meet you, Mr. Boo. All right. Thank you very much. How about ma'am?
Hello, Mr. Wu. My name is Han. I live in Ho Chi Minh City. Nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too. I'm sorry. Am I right? Can?
And yes,
Okay. Hi, Can. It's nice to meet you today, the both of you, Mr. Go and Miss Can. All right. So, how about Mr. Go? What do you do during your free time?
I know. I every time I play with my family, my son. Okay. And go around.
That's nice to hear. Thank you for sharing. How about Miss Can?
in my free time, I watch movie.
That's nice to hear.
Yes, and play with my son, my family. Yeah.
That's nice to know. All right. Thank you very much for sharing all of your hobbies. All right. So, yes. Are you ready to start the lesson?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So, today we are going to have pre-intermediate A2 plus. It's for IELTS speaking. Am I right? Okay. So, we are going to continue your lesson. Now you are going to have grammar. It's a possessive adjectives. Okay. So in this part, we are going to talk about how will you describe your family. All right. So read the description of Anthony's family, and I want you to listen, okay, and complete the gaps with the words you hear. You can take notes for this one. All right, so let's start playing the audio to hear what Anthony's family's description.
Sorry, Miss.
I can hear.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
We can't hear.
Okay, one moment, ma'am. One moment. I'm sorry for that. Let me share again my screen. Okay, let me try once more. Please tell me when you hear the audio. Can you hear the audio?
No.
No?
No. I don't hear.
How about how about how about now? Can you hear it?
No.
One moment here. I'm so sorry. We need to have Excuse me, can you hear it, Mr. Bo and Miss Can?
No.
No?
Yes.
Okay, let me try. One moment here, I'm sorry. Let me try once more, Mr. Bo and Miss Can. Can you hear it?
No.
No. Okay. Let me just be out of the room and then come back for refresher. Let me refresh my window. Thank you. And my apology.
Trời ơi, nó làm cái gì đợi nãy giờ nửa tiếng không có xong, không có được cái gì hết trơn. Chán.
Có lần trời mưa bão ảnh hưởng mưa bão.
Không phải đâu anh, như cái voi này nó bị cái gì á, đợt bà cô hôm thứ năm vậy nữa.
Cái là do trễ hay do cái đường truyền thôi? Mấy lần trước cũng giống như lần này.
Chẳng hiểu, hôm trước là tới cái đoạn cuối là coi như hết nghe được gì á. Giờ bà đi luôn.
Đang tìm được.
9 giờ bà vô rồi bà bye bye luôn.
Không biết em là hồ sơ ở đâu?
Em cũng mới có quay clip và
Clip gửi rồi hả?
dạ.
Là giờ đợi phỏng vấn hả?
Dạ. Bạn anh quay clip đâu chưa?
Mới. Bà xã anh cũng bận lắm, rồi cũng tranh thủ làm, gửi ok rồi mà giờ đợi cũng giờ đợi với em vậy.
À bên kia họ cũng ok rồi ha anh?
Cái clip mình ok rồi, còn cái mình chỉ đợi khi nào phỏng vấn thôi, đang chuẩn bị, đang tập.
Không biết là làm vậy thì khi nào mình đi ha?
Nhanh nhất là khoảng 12 tháng đến hơn 18 tháng, tùy vô cái hên xui của mình, cái thực tế. Rồi mình cũng biết lý thuyết vậy thôi chứ thực tế mình cũng không biết sao. Đây mình tìm hiểu, mình tự tìm hiểu hay là có ai chỉ mình không?
Em có ông anh ông ở bên bển á, xong rồi ông cũng tìm giùm vài chỗ, xong rồi ông biết cái chỗ này nè, cái ông giới thiệu.
Là Anna hả?
Dạ không, em qua một cái dịch vụ khác.
Trung gian, giống như
Dạ.
trung gian.
Dạ đúng rồi.
Rồi bên đó mới chuyển qua Anna.
Thì anh đó với lại Anna là như nhau á anh, mà tại vì anh đó thì ảnh không có làm, ảnh không có trung tâm tiếng Anh thôi, nên ảnh hợp tác với Anna. Chứ em thấy là anh đó với lại Anna thì thật ra nó như nhau thôi. Thì cũng là được một cái ông gì ở bên Canada, ông đó ông gì Tôn Thức Hòa gì đó, nghe nói nổi tiếng lắm mà em cũng không có follow ổng, em cũng không biết nữa.
Tôn Thức Hòa.
Thì xuất hiện.
Hello, Miss Can and Mr. Bo. Let me try once more. I'm so sorry. Very good. Let me share my screen. Hindi ko nila maririnig ko. We're going to teach others on So, kailangan mismo po.
Okay.
Okay, let me try this time. Okay.
My family. Well, we're a big family, actually. Our house is large. I've got 5 brothers. Their names are Carlos, Gino, Luca, Alex, and Marco. Carlos is 14, and he's the youngest. He's good-looking and very funny. Marco is 27, and he's the oldest. His wife teaches at my college. Her name is Maria. My mother is an only child, so her family is very small. But my father is from a big family. He has 3 brothers. He looks like his brother, my uncle Giorgio. They are both bossy, but kind. My uncle has 4 children and 1 cat. Its name is Lola. Tell me about your family.
Okay. Thank you very much for listening. Do you want to hear the audio once more?
No.
No. How about Miss Can?
No need. Thank you.
Okay. All right. So this time, let us know what are the sentences, and you are going to let me have our screen now. Alright. So let's come here. Okay. So this time, let's have, how would you describe your family? All right, so we've listened about Anthony's family, and please complete the gaps with the words you hear. All right, so let's start with Mr. Bo with the number 1. What did you hear for number 1, Mr. Bo?
My family, well, my family actually, our house is large.
Okay, very good. So let's have this time. The answer is R. Okay, well done. Next, let's have a number 2 for Miss Can.
I have got 5 brothers. Their names are. Is this right?
I'm sorry?
There.
There. Okay. Yes. Very good. So the answer is there. All right. Next, let's have number 3 for Mr. Bo.
His wife teach at my college.
Okay. Yes.
His wife.
Yes, you are correct. So the answer is his. His wife teaches at my college. Let's have number 4, Miss Ken.
Number 4 is her.
Okay, very good. Her name is Maria. All right, so my mother is an only child. So let's have number 5 with Mr. Go.
Is her. Her family is small.
Okay, very good. So her family is very small, but let's have number 6 for Miss Ken.
My.
Okay, well done. My father is from a big family. He has 3 brothers. He looks like his brother, my uncle Giorgio. They are both bossy but kind. Okay, my uncle has 4 children and 1 cat. Let's have number 7.
Its
Mhm.
its name is Lola.
Oh, yes, number 7. The answer is its name is Lola. Okay, tell me about number 8, Miss Ken.
Your.
Okay, very good. Your family. All right, so you got the correct answer, Mr. Ho and Miss Ken. Thank you very much. You did a great job on your listening part from this part of Anthony's family. All right, so let's move on to number 12. All right, so please complete the table below. All right, so let's have this, okay, word. And please give me some sentences using these words. All right, so let's start with Mr. Go from the word you. Can you give an example or can you describe your family with the word you? Hmm? Can you give an example sentence using this word, Mr. Go?
You. The same. You.
Hmm?
Your. Your.
Okay,
Uh,
thank you very much. How about Miss Can? How about he?
He and his.
Okay, he and his. Very good. How about next? It.
it's
It and
it's
it.
yes.
Okay, well done. How about they?
There.
There. Yes, nice one. How about my?
My.
Mine.
Mine. Yes, another word for mine. That's another example. How about her?
She.
Okay, very good. She. How about our?
We.
We. Yes. So those are another example from these words. Okay. Thank you very much, Mr. Go and Miss Can. Well done. Now let's move on to number 13. All right. So in this part, please answer the questions below and please write your answers. Okay, so I will give you time for this. So please answer these questions. So we have number one. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Or what are their names? All right. So number two, what is your father's name? Number three, who do you look like in your family? What is his or her name? Number four, have you got a pet? What is its name? Number five, who makes you laugh in your family? And number six, is someone in your family bossy? All right, so please answer those questions and tell me once you're done. I think Miss Can is ready. Are you ready, Miss Can?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's have Miss Can on how he will introduce his family. All right. So the first one, Miss Can, do you have any brothers or sisters? What are their names?
Uh, yes, I have one sister. Her name is Fung.
Okay. Next, what is your father's name?
My father name is Million.
Okay. That's nice. Next, number three. Who do you look like in your family?
I look like my father.
Hmm,
Yeah.
I see. That's nice to know. About number four. Have you got a pet? What is its name?
Yeah, now I don't have pet, but I used to have a dog, and its name is Barry.
See, what a nice name. Next, number five. Who makes you laugh in your family?
I think my husband and my son make me laugh.
That's nice to hear. How about number six? Six, is someone in your family bossy?
Bossy? I think my father is bossy. but he kind. Helped me so much.
Yeah, I think all of our father is the bossy in the family. My father too. All right, thank you very much for sharing. Miss Can, you did a great job on how you introduce your family. All right, thank you for that. Now let's have Mr. Vo.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Okay, right.
Okay, let's have number one question. Do you have any brothers or sisters, and what are their names?
Yes, I have one sister, my young sister. Her name is Trúc.
Mhm. That's nice to hear. Next, number two. What is your father's name?
His name is Kham.
Thank you for that. How about number three? Who do you like? Who do you look like in your family?
I look like my mother.
Your mother.
Yeah, and
And
her name is Han. Yes,
that's nice to know. Thank you for that. Next, have you got a pet?
yes,
What its name?
I have a cat. Yeah, its name is B.
That's nice. How about who makes you laugh in your family circle?
I think it's my son. Yeah.
I see. Okay. Next, and this is the last one. Is someone in your family bossy?
Um, I think it's my father.
So your mother is
A
the
little.
boss. You think so? I see. All right, that's nice to hear because you did a great job on how you introduce your family. All right. So next, let's skip number 14 because you already did on you add more sentences to your answers in exercise 13. How about number 15? How would you describe your family? Let's have Mr. Bo.
Can you repeat, please?
Okay. How would you describe your family? It's okay. Yes, I will give you time for that. And also Mr. Can. Miss Can, I'm sorry. I will give you time to think of your answer about this. How would you describe your family?
Would I describe my family?
Mm-hmm.
I think this question is similar with 13, right?
Oh, 13 is like something giving information about your family. Number 15 is how would you describe your family? Like for example, as for me, for example, I'm a family oriented, and my family, my mother and my father was very strict. And when it comes to the schedule or the time when we get home, and yeah, so those are the example on how you describe your family. Are you a funny family, or do you have any? Does your parents strict? Or if you have your family like your husband or your daughter or your son, can you describe your family?
Mm,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. My family, my parents had two daughters, me and my older sister. And she is living with my parents, but I and I live with my husband and my son. They live in a small town in Ho Chi Minh City. They live in a small town in Vietnam, and I live in Ho Chi Minh City. Why we can live together with them. And my sister has two sons.
Okay. How about do you spend more time with your family during weekdays or weekends?
Yeah. Sometime in weekend, I will come back to my hometown. Yeah, to visit them, and
Mhm.
yeah, and
Nice.
after that, I will return back to Ho Chi Minh City for work.
I see. Okay, what do you like doing with your family? I mean, do you like watching movies together?
Hmm we will watching movie.
Mm-hmm.
We watch movie and have lunch, dinner together.
Together.
Yeah.
I see. It seems like you're a very happy family. You stick together. Okay, thank you very much for describing your family. How about Mr. Bo?
Yes.
Okay, how do you describe your family?
Um, my father and my mother live in Tiền Giang province. It's a small town at Vietnam.
Mhm.
Yes. And me, I live Ho Chi Minh City. Yeah, with
And
my wife and my son.
I see. That's nice to know. Do you eat together? I mean, what do you do? What do you love doing together with your family?
Yeah. Um, I'm that's the one who doesn't like party and drinking. I spend
Mhm.
my free time for my family.
Oh, that's nice to hear.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank.
Um,
Mm-hmm.
I think my family is most important.
Mm-hmm. I see. All right. That's great to hear. Okay. Thank you very much for sharing. All right. So now let's move on to the next part of our lesson. So we have part two. In this part two, we have skills development. All right. So in this part, it's an exam information. All right. So complete speaking test takes 11 to 14 minutes, and the examiner asks questions and you give the answer. Okay. So in this part one, introduction and interview, it takes 4 to 5 minutes. And in the introduction, the examiner introduces him or herself to you, and the examiner asks you to confirm your identity. And then the third one, then the interview starts. The examiner asks you question on general topics. And the part one, general topics, for example, your family, your hobbies, or studying. And for part one test, your ability to give full answers and to give extra information on general topics with descriptions or explanations. All right. So let's have number one. Okay. So read the part one question 1 to 5 below. Okay. Match each question with the correct topic from A and E.
Yeah.
A up to E. All right, so let's have a number one. Okay, so are you a student? Which one is the topic from the letters?
Mhm. I think your work. Your work.
Are you a student? Is
Are you
it?
student?
Mhm.
Your study.
Okay,
D.
very good. So it's letter D,
Study.
your
D.
studies. Yeah, so student is related to studies. Next, let's have number two. Describe your family.
Let it be your family.
Okay, your family. All right. Thank you so much for that, Mr. Bo. Let's have Miss Can. Okay, so Miss Can, in this read number one, read the part A question 1 to 5 below and match each question hi, with the correct topic from A, and E. So Mr. Ho already answered number one. Are you a student? And it relates to your studies. And describe your family. Mr. Bo already answered. It match your family. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you for that, Mr. Bo. Next, let's have number three. Which country are you from?
Your country. Letter A.
Okay, letter A, very good. So it matched letter A, your country. Let's have number four again, Miss Can. What do you do?
Letter E. Your work.
Your work. Okay, very good. All right, how about number five? Do you do any sports? Which one, Mr. Bo?
Yeah, it's
We have
your hobby. Your hobby.
Okay, very good. So we are talking about your hobbies. All right, thank you very much for answering my questions correctly. You got the correct answer. Great job on this part. All right, so let's have number two. All right, in this number two, read and listen to the examiner instructions in part one to complete the gaps. Okay, so let me share the audio once more. Can you hear my audio, Miss Can and Mr. Bo? Okay.
No. No.
Okay. Can you hear it?
No. You touch play.
Okay. Let's have here.
Track 4.
Can you
I'm
hear?
here.
Yes?
Yes, I'm here.
Please. Let me just.
Oh.
Okay. My screen is loading. I'm so sorry for that. Let me share once more.
5.
Hello. My name is...
Track 5.
Hello. My name is Steve Smith. Could you tell me your full name, please? Thank you. Can you show me your identification, please? I'd now like to ask you some questions about yourself. Tell me about your family. What does your father do? How much time do you spend with your family? Are people in your country close to their family? Do you prefer to go out with your family or your friends? Where do you live at the moment?
Track
Okay.
5.
Do you want to hear the audio once more? No? Okay. So let's have the interview part. Okay. So let me share my screen. Okay. So let's have number 2. All right. So you listen about the examiner introduction in part 1. Please complete the gaps. All right. So let's have number 1. Hello, my blank is Steve Smith. All right. Can I have the answer, Miss Scan?
My name. The answer is name.
Okay, very good. Can you please read the full sentence?
Okay. Hello, my name is Steve Smith.
Okay, thank you so much for that. How about next? Number 2, Mr. Bo.
Yes. Could you tell me your full name, please?
Okay, thank you so much for that. How about number 3, Miss Ken?
Can you show me your identification?
Okay, very good. Next, let's have number 4, Mr. Bo.
Tell me about your family.
Okay, next, how about number 5, Miss Ken?
Number 5 is do. What does your father do?
Okay, very good. How about number 6, Mr. Bo?
How much time do you spend with your family?
Okay, very good for that. Next, let's have number 7, Miss Ken.
Are people in your country close to their family?
Okay, very good. Next, let's have number 8, Mr. Bo.
Do you prefer to go out with your family or your friends?
Okay, very good. That's correct. The word is friends. And how about the last one, Miss Ken?
Where do you live at the moment?
Okay, thank you very much for that. And yes, you got the correct answer, Mr. Bo and Miss Ken. Thank you very much. You did a great job. You have a very good listening comprehension. Okay, good job on that. All right, so now let's move on to number 3. Listen to a candidate answering a question from exercise 2. Which question is it? Okay, so please listen to the audio this time. All right. Okay, I want you to be prepared for the audio. Here.
6.
My father is a doctor. He helps people. He works in a hospital. He's very kind to people.
Okay. So, do you want to hear the audio once more? Okay, let's have audio number 6. Okay.
Track 6.
My father is a doctor. He helps people. He works in a hospital. He's very kind to people.
Okay. Thank you for listening. What do you think is the question for that answer?
The question is, what do you do? What do you just what do you do?
Or
How the
how
work?
about Mr. Bo? What is your answer? What is the question for that answer of a candidate? What do you think is the What do you think is the question for that?
I'm here. My father is a doctor. I think it's what does he do?
Okay. Or what does your father do?
What does she do?
Okay. So that's the question for that answer from the candidate. What does your father do? That's why the candidate says, my father is a doctor, and etc. Okay, now let's move on to audio number 6. All right, so please listen to the candidate's answer again and assess the answer. Okay, so later on, I will give the choices. What is the best description for that candidate's answer? Please listen once more here.
Track 6.
My father is a doctor. He helps people. He works in a hospital. He's very kind to people.
Okay, so that's the audio, and I will share what is your assess, or how do you assess for that. Okay, let me share my screen. All right, so to the candidate's answer again and assess it. Choose the best description for the candidate's answer. Is it number 1, the information is in the answer is relevant or not relevant? Number 2, the answer is very short, okay, or very long. Number 3, the candidate speaks with pauses at normal speed or very fast. Number 4, the vocabulary is relevant, not relevant to the topic. Number 5, the pronunciation is poor, okay, or clear. Number 6, there are a lot of errors, 1 or 2 errors or no errors in the grammar. How do you assess the answer of the candidate from the question, what does your father do? Let me know once you're done. How do you assess the candidate? Are you ready, Mr. Bo?
No.
Okay. Just let me know when you're ready. And also Miss Can.
Speak, please. Yes, yes.
Okay. Let's try to answer number 1. Is the information in the answer is relevant or not relevant? How about Mr. Bo?
I think irrelevant.
Yes, it's relevant. How about Miss Can?
Number one.
Is it relevant?
Yes, that's relevant.
Okay. Next, how about number 2? Is the answer is very short, okay, or very long?
I think it's okay.
It's okay. How about Mr. Bo?
Okay, me too. Okay.
Okay. How about number 3? Is the candidate speaks with pauses or at normal speed or very fast?
The candidate will speak with as normal speed.
At normal speed. How about Mr. Bo?
Yes.
Do you agree? Okay.
Normal.
Yes, I also agree with with your answer. How about number 4? Is the vocabulary is relevant or not relevant?
Relevant.
Yes, it's relevant. How about the pronunciation? Is it poor, okay, or clear?
Okay.
Okay.
The pronunciation is okay.
Yes. How about Mr. Bo? Do you agree?
Okay.
Yes. How about number 6?
Yeah.
From the answer of the candidate, there are a lot of errors, or 1 or 2 errors, or no errors in the grammar.
No.
No errors in the grammar.
Okay, very good. I also agree because what the candidate answered is very simple grammar. She used very simple grammar from her answer. Okay. All right. Thank you very much, Mr. Bo and Miss Can. Okay. I really enjoyed talking to you, but this is already time for our class to end. And it was really nice meeting you tonight. And I am so sorry because I have the internet connection. My PC was freeze from the start of our class, and I am so sorry for that. Okay, I'll make sure that it won't happen again next time. Okay, you did a great job today. You were able to answer all of my questions. I am very amazed because you are able to understand and you have a very good listening comprehension. Okay. Thank you so much for that, Ms. Can and Mr. Go. Have a
Thank
great night and see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.